Alright guys, it's springtime, working here on my truck. Got the seats out, doing my next modification to it, and we are changing the shifter. I'm going to put in a different shifter, patch that hole. This is what the shifter looks like in a Ranger. So let me get this out and get the new shifter in. Be right back. Alright, and I'm back. Got the shifter in, got the stops adjusted. This is going to be a really crappy video, but anyways, third gear, barely touches. Fourth gear, barely touches. Let me go ahead and patch this hole and be back. Alright, I got the seats, different seats in. These are out of a Ford Ranger / Explorer, manual seat tracks. Got the new shifter in, same spot, just a little bit more forward because of the handle. But yeah, this thing is almost done. A little bit more to go. Thanks for watching.